For the past years, private distribution utilities have been working with regulatory agencies to explore the use of smart meters in the country. Among them is Meralco, which looks to deploy smart meters under its proposed advanced metering infrastructure. But what are smart meters? IBM, a leading information technology firm, explains that smart meters are digital devices that record and measure consumption of electricity, gas, and water in real time. IBM also noted that smart meters are critical for smart grid infrastructures as they offer technology that's capable of enhancing reliability in electricity usage distribution. However, IBM pointed out that the sensors and measurement techniques are dependent on the type of energy that will be measured. For electricity meters, sensors measure the voltage and current flowing through the circuit. For natural gas and water meters, flow sensors are the one measuring the volume of gas or water passing through the meter. With the pilot testing of smart meters, it is safe to assume that the country is keen on revolutionizing the energy industry. But with this change, is the country really ready for smart meters?